Welcome back, everybody. Today's vlog is very exciting. Me, my friends, and I, Kim over there is hiding. We're all going to Pandora. It's actually opening May 27th-ish, but we're gonna go early and check it out. Check all the cool rides and the food. Here we are at Animal Kingdom. All right, we'll see you in there.
Welcome to Pandora. Enjoy your home.
Thank you. Got a map. Look at that. We are officially in.
Look, and these things are
Look at
supposed
it.
to glow when you walk at night. Yeah.
So pretty.
And they have a wilderness explorer, so you can get your badges. There's too much to look at. My gosh. I saw this coming from Uber. Oh.
Okay, so I'd like to officially meet Michelle in front here, and then her friend over here,
Friend Kim.
Kim. Kim number 2. Kim number 1.
When Kim pulls clutch and gets you into Pandora.
Whoa, look at all the flowers. So cool. All the garden. So I really do feel like I'm being transported into this other world, which is really nice. Look at it. No big deal, but look what I'm under. How does it stay up there? Magic! Goal. Get to that bridge. Look, I think I know those girls.
I recognize you too. Sorry. Like, you place the ball, so you just have to
Look at it. Pass.
enjoy your journey.
Thank you. We are going on the Navi River journey. And the wine is cool and it smells really good here actually.
We're in the jungle.
Yeah, it actually smells like we're in the jungle. Look at that. That's crazy.
But I haven't watched them.
Guys, how many today? 4. Excellent. You guys gonna go see one for free?
But I can walk on this. I feel like this is the only
Oh,
part
yeah.
of the program that's
Never gonna happen again. Nope.
So we should just ride this like a couple times, make sure we see everything.
Gonna do it. We're gonna go.
the sauna.
Oh,
We should have brushed up on our language skills. Oh my god, they're so cute! They're moving!
sounds like a dog.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Look how big she is. The Ewok.
Stone with me. I'll sing your name. My son will come now. Tell me.
Welcome back, travelers. Please remain seated or your boat until it comes to a complete stop and exit.
Oh my god, that's so cool. So cool. So cool.
And like that, the boat ride was over. It was so fun. It's over. Felt like we were in a whole other world. Oh my god.
So awesome.
Making noise.
Everyone's playing. Oh, my hand. So angry. ride the ladder on the
Yeah. Oh.
wall. They got a big drum over there.
Wow, look at it all. So intense. We've got a photo shoot going on here. On every angle here. There you go, Kim. Set it up.
Oh, you can go ahead.
There is Kim behind the scenes. Run! Weird places you can get your head stuck in.
Yeah, looks like there's candy canes in there. Really? Yeah. Okay.
It does look like there's candy canes in there. Hold on, I dare you, Michelle, to stick your hand in this weird plant.
I'm very scared right now, guys. I actually am like. Hold on. Ah! It's a tongue. What is happening? Somebody's like tired kidda behind the scenes. I have no idea. An ashtray? That's too small to be a garbage can. There's candy canes in there, guys. Look at these.
We're gonna check out Wind Traders and then we're gonna go get a drink. Probably that red one that I don't know the name of, and we'll find out. Let's go. Wow. Look above. So pretty. Get some gems?
Sign in.
Ooh, let's see. Gems.
Come to Ontario. You can find all of these.
I've got it.
Really, you
This
walk
is
around
mine.
Ontario and you find these everywhere.
Cute. These look interesting. Puzzles.
Maybe this is it, and no.
That is a wallet. And it glows. Apparently, you can make your own avatar. That's pretty cool. Weapon of choice, for sure. Meet the new Mickey ears. Wind Traders is really awesome. We tried on cool avatar ears.
Check out my blog and
What advertising?
self-promotion. That's what it is.
This is where you can transport yourself into an avatar. Right here. So I'm having a bet to see if Kim actually buys those ears. I think she will. I think she'll break. We're gonna try everything. Oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what it tastes like, but it tastes freaking good.
Especially in this hot weather. Mine's like the odd one out. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna splurge.
Here they
I
are.
don't even want to drink
I got
it
Night
yet.
Blossom, and she got Night Blossom, and what was yours called?
Mine is the Moara Margarita.
Noir Margarita.
Kim likes the balls, guys.